Yeah, you can smell them. They're handling the power, but they warm up real quick.
Yeah, I mean, RMS is only $12.50.
Yeah.
And they're clamping $25.50.
Pretty impressive for some budget subs, too. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow. You did a lot of work to this. Nice.
Yeah, this is the last time you've seen it.
What's your name and what's in here?
Steve, 2 Scar EVO D4s, 15s. I'm running on 2 Smart 3Ks.
Okay.
And 90 amp hour C-Max.
Nice. How big is that box and the tuning on it?
It's fairly new. Don't know for sure. Last time I ran the lanes, my peak was 41.
Okay.
And it did a 52.
Really? Oh, well, that's pretty good.
Box rise is 3.3, 3.4.
Are you happy with it? That's pretty high rise there, though.
Yeah, but it's gonna get changed.
Are you planning to change subs or?
Changing pretty much everything. I'm either gonna change over to 612s or 615s.
Okay. Are you staying no wall?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Every in their motor's got a wall, man.
Yeah. So I have a question. When you remove panels or worked on the roof, could you tell any kind of loudness change at all, or just peak changes, frequency changes?
When I started wooding the roof is when it started getting better.
Okay.
Of course, I've got rips in the roof now, so I've got to get that welded up again.
Yeah.
But it's been playing with it for the past few years.
Yes,
you know
sir.
what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. Nice. And your lithium, or okay, it's right underneath.
I got a 45 there, and I got a 45 up underneath here.
Okay.
I just haven't built it into one bank yet.
Got it. Okay. Nice.
Well, it's a DB Addictions box.
Oh, okay.
Cody, yeah, Cody,
Nice.
it's a Cody Gullet box.
Yeah, you did good.
Oh, he always does good, man. There's no question about his abilities.
How low do you play down on this box? Frequency-wise, around 27, 28, or?
No, high 30s.
Okay.
It starts dropping off at 28.
Yes, sir.
But you know, I'll try to stick around 30s.
Okay. Have you ever considered mounting the subs regular?
We did.
Okay.
It was just too high.
It was tuned higher?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it definitely plays a lot lower now.
Yes, sir.
Plus the sides heated up a lot quicker.
They were? Okay. So more space helped them. Got it. Breathe.
Yeah.
Is there a way I can see the back port and all?
It's a mess.
That's okay. Nice. Good port area.
Yeah. Everything's rounded over. Like I said, Cody did it right, man. Everything's doubled up.
Looks good, yeah.
Everything's 45.
Have you done any kind of box placement testing?
I'm getting ready to pull the back seats out.
Okay.
And then I'll start playing with that.
Yeah. Got it. Okay.
But then I'll be able to get my measurements for
Yes, sir.
a bigger box.
Okay.
Run more sun.
Can I look inside?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
And they're clamping $25.50.
Ooh, on the burp? Wow, so you're giving them subs almost double rated on a burp.
Oh yeah.
Wow. All right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Awesome. And you're on team
Deadbeats.
Deadbeats. All right. smell them. They're handling the power, but they warm up real quick. That's smelly quick.
I'm overpowering them.
Overpowering them?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Nice.
I just been, I'll turn it down to the low 20s, low volume, get them cooled off.
Yes, sir.
Um,
Dude, that's pretty impressive for some budget subs, too.